Hey guys, here we are at Maleny Botanic Gardens and Bird World. A couple of characters behind me sitting on the biggest chair I've ever seen. How is it back there?
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this.
Look at the birds on the ground, Dom. Pretty bird.
They're quails.
I'm not a bird hiding. The hiding.
Hatch on its chest, you've got one walking around here, and they are from the Philippines. So it's really, really interesting. She only lands on people's heads, so she's not everyone's face.
That's the male. And the female is the red and blue one.
Come on, and then you can come closer. He does land on people's heads though, but that's about as much as I get from here.
Benny, stand up.
Not you, not you. Not you, Ruby. No. They actually say it's like a version of a finger trick.
How's that feel? How's that?
Yeah, that's right. It won't swallow it. It'll just like get you pull it out when it's all done. Spread it out.
Hey!
Alright, guys, we'll make sure to spread it out a bit more for now.
How's that? Oh, hey! Hey guys, Here we are at Maleny Botanic Gardens and Bird World. A couple of characters behind me sitting on the biggest chair I've ever seen. How is it back there? Is that a comfy chair? Yeah, got a bit of a train behind me here. There's Code. Hey, Cody. What are we going to do now? Let's go. Woo. Driving the train.
Hi, Cody and Ate. Bye-bye. Can you close this?
Chugga 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 chugga.
Share a ginormous share. Wow.
The frogs. Let's go and see what's happening in the lake. See if there's any fishies
Oh, duck.
What's that?
or quackers.
What's that? Duck.
Maybe there's an eel in there. Nice.
It's a lake?
What about the bunnies in there?
Yeah, watch out for the bunyip. If you go too close, he might eat you.
Bunyip doesn't have to do this.
Oh, there's a bridge. Let's go to the bridge. I think this is the Chinese garden.
This is a Chinese garden?
Yeah. There is a duck here.
Yeah! Where?
It is.
This is the Chinese garden. Look at this.
Pardon?
Chinese statue for a Chinese garden.
That's Confucius.
Yeah. Where's the duck?
Just up ahead. See, look. There's ducks there.
Oh, look at the ducks.
What kind of statue is
Is it?
that?
I've been to Thailand and seen the gigantic Buddha, reclining Buddha statue. Just like that. Just like Street Fighter.
This is Great Fighter statue.
Street Fighter statue, yeah.
There's a creek. This creek is creepy.
It's bamboo.
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 Where bamboo?
Yeah, this is bamboo.
Bamboo.
These are bamboos. Yeah.
Bamboo was writing on it.
Why are they riding on it?
These people have vandalized it.
Here, there you go.
What can you say, Dom? Are you having fun?
Yeah,
Look here, come
It's
on.
just water under the bridge.
yeah. Well, I was pretending it's lava.
Well, we're in the bamboo forest. This is part of the Oriental Garden
More
here.
bamboo.
And most of the bamboo has actually been vandalized.
Mostly, I think, all of the bamboo.
Say that again. What did you say, Ted?
I said, I think all of the bamboos written on.
What do you think? Is that nice? Is that good to do?
No, because the pandas need to eat it.
And why is it not good to
endangered, aren't they?
Why do you think it's not good to vandalize?
Because pandas are in danger.
Because
They're
the bamboo-
treats and they're food for pandas.
There's a big bridge down here. Can we go over the bridge?
Should we cross it?
Let's cross it.
Look,
We might have to go one at a time, single file.
a carriage.
Go.
A
Can
carriage.
you do it? Oh yeah.
A rusty old carriage. one at a time. It's wooden.
Like Indiana Jones.
You made it!
What about the one-eyed troll could be under the bridge?
Well, if he was scared of us because he didn't appear. We are now exiting the Oriental Garden. But there's a nice view here.
Parang the gap lang sa Philippines. Sa Davao. Again?
Can we go back to the Philippines where your parents are?
Of course. Would you like to go?
Yeah, can we see? Well, Lola would be happy if we went to his house.